8 healthy turkey recipes to help you lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Discover these 8 healthy, delicious turkey recipes to help you on your weight loss journey. Turkey is a lean protein that is low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. From burgers and meatballs to chili and stir fry, these recipes offer a variety of flavors and cooking methods, incorporating nutritious ingredients like vegetables and whole grains. These meals will keep you satisfied and nourished. Enjoy the benefits of lean protein while working towards your weight loss goals with these flavorful turkey recipes. Number 1. High protein cauliflower fried rice recipe, 400 calories. This high protein cauliflower fried rice recipe is a healthy and delicious option for those who's looking to lose weight. Packed with lean ground turkey and nutritious cauliflower, this dish is low in calories but high in protein, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. By replacing traditional rice with cauliflower rice, you can enjoy a satisfying and flavorful meal while keeping your calorie intake in check. Here are the specific ingredients. 1 medium head of cauliflower processed into a rice-like texture. 1 pound lean ground turkey. 1 cup mixed vegetables. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 3 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce or tamari. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. For optional toppings, sliced green onions, sesame seeds, or cilantro for garnish. Here are the process for making cauliflower fried rice recipe. Number 2. Stuffed peppers, 260 calories. Stuffed peppers are a delicious and nutritious option for a healthy turkey recipe that supports weight loss goals. These peppers are filled with a flavorful mixture of lean ground turkey, vegetables, and whole grains, providing a balanced meal that is low in calories and high in protein. Here are the specific ingredients for stuffed peppers. 4 large bell peppers of any color, 1 pound lean ground turkey, 1 small onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup cooked quinoa or brown rice, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup corn kernels, fresh or frozen, 1/2 cup black beans rinsed and drained, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings, shredded cheese, chopped fresh cilantro. Here are the process for making stuffed peppers. Number 3. Veggie Skillet, 330 calories. Veggie Skillet is a wholesome and delicious recipe that allows you to enjoy the flavors of lean turkey and a variety of vegetables. It is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an ideal choice for those looking to lose weight. Incorporate this healthy turkey recipe into your meal plan to add nutritional value and satisfaction to your weight loss journey. Here are the specific ingredients for Veggie Skillet. 1 pound lean ground turkey, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. For optional toppings, you can choose fresh herbs, grated Parmesan cheese. Here is the process for making Veggie Skillet. Hey guys, can you do me a favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Carrot with turkey recipe, 350 calories. Carrot with turkey is a nutritious recipe that provides a good balance of lean protein from turkey and the vitamins and fiber from carrots. It is low in calories and fat, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. By incorporating this healthy turkey recipe into your meal plan, you can enjoy a delicious and nourishing dish that supports your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for carrot with turkey. 1 pound lean ground turkey, 4 carrots peeled and sliced, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: fresh parsley, lemon zest. Process for making carrot with turkey. Number 5. Low-carb cabbage stir-fry, 330 calories. Low-carb cabbage stir-fry is not only a flavorful and satisfying recipe, but also a great way to incorporate nutrient-dense cabbage into your diet. Cabbage is low in calories and carbohydrates while being rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By enjoying this healthy turkey recipe, you can fuel your body with a delicious meal that supports your weight loss journey. Here are the specific ingredients for low-carb cabbage stir-fry. 1 pound lean ground turkey, 4 cups shredded cabbage, 1 onion thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, salt and pepper to taste. For optional toppings, you can choose sliced green onions or sesame seeds. For making low-carb cabbage stir-fry, follow this process. Number 6. Vegetable soup, 290 calories. Vegetable soup is an excellent choice for weight loss because it is low in calories and packed with fiber and nutrients. It provides a good balance of protein, vegetables, and broth, keeping you full and satisfied while nourishing your body. By incorporating this healthy turkey recipe into your meal plan, you can enjoy a delicious and comforting soup that aids in your weight loss journey. For specific ingredients, we have number 1, 1 pound lean ground turkey, 4 cups low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery stalks diced, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 zucchini diced, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. For optional garnish, chop fresh parsley. Here is the process for making vegetable soup. Number 7. Broccoli carrot stir-fry. Broccoli carrot stir-fry 310 calories is a fantastic choice for weight loss because it is low in calories and high in fiber, minerals, and vitamins. The lean ground turkey provides a good source of protein, while the colorful vegetables add a variety of nutrients to your meal. By incorporating this healthy turkey recipe into your diet, you can enjoy a flavorful and wholesome stir-fry that supports your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for broccoli carrot stir-fry. 1 pound lean ground turkey, 2 cups broccoli florets, 1 cup carrot slices, 1 bell pepper thinly sliced, 1 onion thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon ginger paste or grated ginger, salt and pepper to taste. For optional garnish, sesame seeds, chopped green onions. Here is the process for making broccoli carrot stir-fry. Number 8. Green beans with peppers, 280 calories. Green beans with peppers is a fantastic choice for your weight loss journey, as it is low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with essential nutrients. The lean ground turkey provides a good source of protein, while the green beans and peppers add a variety of vitamins and minerals. By incorporating this healthy turkey recipe into your meal plan, you can enjoy a satisfying and nourishing dish that promotes your overall well-being. and helps you achieve your weight loss goals. Here are the ingredients. This is the process for making green beans with pepper. And that concludes our list of 8 healthy turkey recipes to help you lose weight. Do you happen to know any healthy turkey recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!